Alright guys, so tonight we're gonna make a banana split. I feel like I'm missing something, but have the bananas, whipped cream, chocolate. I think I'm missing a strawberry mix, nuts, and cherries. Not gonna make a large one, but we're gonna go ahead and I feel like I'm missing something. Don't know what it is, but got the banana. So here's the banana. Here we got the banana. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? The ice cream. The ice cream. I'm getting the ice cream. So we're making a banana split. And go get the ice cream. Forgot the ice cream. So banana split. Here's the bananas. Oh, sprinkles, but I don't think he wants any sprinkles. So here's the ice cream. I don't think I'm gonna eat any. We got the ice cream. So we got the ice cream. So we're gonna drizzle a little bit of chocolate. Put a little bit of nuts. I forgot the cherries, so far. Nuts, ice cream, and chocolate. Put a little bit of whipped cream. Whipped cream. A little bit of cherries. Cherry on top. That's it. So here it goes. So here is the banana split. You can see here you got whipped cream, bananas, cherries,